plane is cutting down branches with its long, sharp saw blade, but my heart races as I see the power lines right below. What a nerve-wracking sight. Imagine jumping into the exciting world of stump grinding. With the Carlton 7015 TRX, you can easily maneuver like a pro, making stump grinding feel just like leveling up in your favorite video game. Ever tried burning a tree stump? It's an interesting removal technique. But can you handle keeping that fire alive for 24 hours? That's a serious test of patience, don't you think?
I believe the stump's actually burning. There was water in it yesterday. Whoa! Keep it in there. Bro.
Fire up here. There is no fire down here. For about 5 hours now, we've been working on burning this stump. It started with about a 2-inch diameter hole in the middle. Now we're at about a foot. The stump was the tree was newly cut down about 2 months ago, so it's still fairly wet.
Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the Kenworth W900 truck. With a robust diesel engine packing 600 horsepower, this truck handles heavy loads like a pro, all while being fuel efficient. Transporting heavy timber is fraught with danger, especially on makeshift and treacherous roads. It's not always a stroke of luck to navigate these perilous paths. One misstep can lead to disaster. As a newcomer to woodworking, I was absolutely stunned by the turbo saw. The roar of the engine, the speed at which it cuts, it's almost like watching a predator in the wild. The Crambo 5200 wood processor is engineered for excellence, with its robust engine delivering impressive productivity rates of 200 to 300 cubic meters per hour. It efficiently tackles tree stumps, roots, waste wood, and more. This machine is like a reliable arm of the forestry sector. Utilizing a pulley system, the tree is systematically extracted, its roots gradually detaching from the ground. The integration of technology ensures a streamlined process, minimizing environmental impact. For just $625, you can own a compact wood debarker that transforms your woodworking experience. Ready to take your projects to the next level? The way this forestry milling head grinds through stumps is nothing short of remarkable. It's like watching a master craftsman sculpt the earth itself. For just $625, you can own a compact wood debarker that transforms your woodworking experience. Ready to take your projects to the next level? Like a raging tornado, this machine devours everything in its path, crushing trees into mere splinters. The sheer power it wields is awe-inspiring, leaving behind a trail of devastation.
Grapple skidder?
The Cat Grapple Skidder battles the slick, treacherous snow, grappling with the challenging terrain to drag a massive pine trunk out of the forest and onto the landing road. It has executed its mission with outstanding prowess.
Heck of a nice little machine here. With all these trees all the way around this house. Most of them are cold winter days, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
What a breathtaking sight unfolds. A road blanketed in glistening snow, pure and serene. Yet a machine battles valiantly, pushing its limits to plow through thick layers of snow. The early morning air is refreshingly crisp, filled with the invigorating scent of fresh-cut wood. Massive logs stand neatly stacked, while that reliable machine hums along, orchestrating a perfect harmony of productivity. The Equus 175N Forest tractor, known for its durability and reliability, navigates demanding terrain with ease, proving its reputation as a field powerhouse. Are you tired of struggling with thick logs? Say hello to the Petzolato wood splitter. With its massive power, it's engineered to tackle those hefty logs like a breeze. Join the revolution in wood splitting today.